Good morning, fellas. Alan with the R6 and welcome to a very good morning in the Isle of Wight. We are getting ourselves ready to get downstairs for the breakfast, and then we plan our route towards Needles. So yeah, stay tuned and let me show you. Obviously the weather's beautiful, but that's where our bikes are parked, just outside my my window. So yeah, I look forward for today. Good morning, Sebi. What a beautiful day, eh?
What a glorious day.
Good morning, fellas. It's Alan on the Isle of Wight. The weather is really good. We are going to a windmill. So beautiful up here, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's so amazing.
So amazing. Wow.
Bikers all over the place, eh? The weather's so good today.
So nice.
It's so nice.
So nice, so
It's
nice.
so amazing.
So amazing. So beautiful.
And we're back on this kind of roads that we love, where are no houses, no towns.
I heat it up, full charge like a battery, electricity. Can't get enough, feel the wind blowing full speed. Come on and follow me. I'm doing what I want when I want to. I'm doing what I want. Live free, go and take it to the top. Live free, all the party never stops. We do it better, light as a feather. I'm telling you the only way to be. Live free. I let it run, imagination going wild, a new style. Under the sun, feels good, feeling famous. I'd never trade this. Live free, go and take it to the top. Live free, oh the party never stops. We do it better, light as a feather. I'm telling you the only way to be. Live free.
So we're going to check the windmill now with the gang. Hello!
We could climb every mountain, we could swim the deep blue sea, we could cross every desert and come back again. We could go any distance to chase down every dream. We could reach all the stars, but in the end, I know where we belong.
30.
I know a place where we can go